Okay, so in this video, Singularity is officially 4 days old. In that time, we have built the entire editor out. You can bring characters in, you can bring 3D models in. One of the things I want to point out that you don't have with most engines, if there's any one single part of any 3D model that you bring in, that say you just want to delete this side of this building, if it's actually doable, yeah, so you can delete that board right there. Anything you click on, you can delete it, and it's pretty cool. Like, just boom. If I want to delete that part of the wall, I can do it. Now, what you're looking at, it is gone. You're looking at the wall behind it, actually. But yeah, you can delete. Now you can see inside the building because that's there. But the cool part is this is an entire 3D mesh that was brought in, but you can select any part of that mesh you want and delete it. And you can also bring it back just like that. Isn't that amazing, guys? That is cool. No other engine has this technology yet. But that's not what we're in here for. We're in here to test gravity because we just built gravity. Well, I mean, we had gravity in, but we wanted to make it editable. Did I say it right? Editable, whatever. Yeah. So let's get our little capsule in here real quick, and we'll see what he can do. Yes, we use capsules just like everyone else does. We didn't do that to be copycats. We did it because we do want some familiarity when other coders come in and they're working with stuff. So click play. The little map that we built will come together. We'll have our little capsule running around. 9.8 is going to be your typical gravity in any map that's like Earth gravity. But then we're going to switch it to like 1.2 and see what that does. Oh, our capsule is inside the building. We don't want that. Hang on. We do not want you there, Mr. Capsule. So let's back off. We want you down here like on the beach somewhere, buddy. Let's see. We want him like right about here. Preferably not in the water. Okay, well, for some reason, he keeps spawning inside the cave, and that's not where we want him. So we're going to go fix this. I do want to show you all the ocean real quick, though. Since this is the first video, we're going to show off a little bit. So here's part of Liquidy, which is our ocean, river, pond, pretty much if you need water type thing. So, and I named this water body Atlantic Ocean just for the hell of it. But this is so easy to mess with, guys. You got your settings over here for this. And I mean, you can have oceans, lakes, rivers. Get your wave response. Let's crank these waves up. We should have waves, be able to make waves come up over this freaking dock. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So now we have huge swells coming in. Hope you guys like that. And so y'all know, I mean, this is not like the same texture over and over. This is literally dynamically a real ocean. So like your waves are different each time. Man, that should just like cover that freaking boat. Oh yeah. So yeah, I mean, you can really go crazy with the waves, and to make waves that big, you see how much water it draws back. So I mean, you know what? Let me just give you guys a demonstration real quick. Let's create a tsunami. Let's get the waves right. I'm going to show y'all, because we have this big, huge map here. Let's just hit this freaking place with a tsunami, shall we? We haven't programmed the foam and all that stuff in yet, so you're not going to see no foam. I do have to program in the crest too, so like a tsunami will start cresting. But, I mean, guys, this is only 4 days in that we've built this engine. So, I mean, you're going to get to see some crazy stuff. Whoa. There's the tsunami in the back. You see that? Let's hit this place with a tsunami. So literally to make a tsunami, you have to draw that much water out. That's why the whole island just like sat there and massively sucked back the water, because this is a real tsunami. Let me see. Let's get a huge front width on this sucker. Approach speed. Let's change the bearing because I want to see it hit from behind. There we go. I want you guys to be able to witness this. All right, so we got a tsunami in the background. There it is. Back it up a hair. You could just see the sucker coming on the horizon. That's insane. All right, you ready? Let's go. So now you guys will get to see a real tsunami hit this place. And that's what I was telling you all. This is like a real ocean, because like it had to draw that much water to form that tsunami back there. And we'll just sit here and be quiet and watch this sucker come in. That sucker's so high, it's already reflecting the island off of it. That's crazy. Whoa. We're already underwater. Woohoo. And it's still growing. Golly. We have flooded the earth, guys. That is one massive tsunami. Okay, I think maybe. Nope, it still hasn't crested out. Wow. That's massive. Let's turn around and look at it. We're on top of this sucker. That's crazy. Let's see if we can get around and look at it. Nah, that sucker's moving. Oh, well. Oh, yeah. There we go. We got around it. There's the sun reflecting. As soon as this freaking tsunami goes away enough, though, there's all our stuff down there. Oh, it's starting to appear. I don't think anyone's left alive. There you go. I gotta go fix everything real quick. Especially with our capsule. I don't know why it keeps spawning in the middle of the map. We've never had this issue. He usually spawns wherever we start him at. So, like, if I want to start him right here by the dock, that's usually what he does. Let's see. Let's just spawn right here and see what happens. So for all of you that are thinking this kind of cheesy looking, you have to think we haven't gone extreme with this yet. This is literally like he's floating. I don't know what I have the gravity on, but he's floating. Y'all have to think this engine is only 4 days old. So when you look at it in that perspective, well, why is he floating? What is the gravity set on? Set on 9.8. He should not be floating. So something else we need to go in and fix. Anyways, this engine's only 4 days old, and we've gotten it this far. You can literally build worlds. We built all this. Earlier, we had the capsule running around all through this building, hopping around on the boat, swimming. We had him running up all these stairs. And so, yeah, apparently when we put gravity in now, we broke something. But we'll get back to you guys. There's your first view of the Singularity engine.